When you encounter the error message "The application encountered an unrecoverable error," it usually indicates that the application has crashed or cannot continue due to a critical issue. Here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix this issue. Close the application completely, including any background processes related to it, and then relaunch it. Why? Temporary glitches or memory allocation issues might cause crashes. Open the application and check for updates via its settings menu. Update your operating system and drivers, especially graphics, sound, and network drivers. Why? Outdated software or drivers can lead to incompatibility issues. Compare your system specs with the application's minimum requirements: CPU, RAM, graphics card, disk space, etc. Why? Insufficient hardware resources can cause the application to fail. Right-click the application's shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Why? Some applications require elevated permissions to function correctly. Repair. Look for a repair option in the installer or control panel. Reinstall. Uninstall the application completely, then reinstall it from a trusted source. Why? Corrupted or missing files might prevent the application from functioning. Temporarily disable or close other programs, especially antivirus or firewall software. Background applications like screen recorders or overlays, Discord, NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Why? Some programs can conflict with the application's functionality. Press Win+R, type %temp%, and delete temporary files in the folder. For some applications, locate their specific cache or temp folder and clear it. Why? Corrupt cache or temporary files can cause crashes. If using a platform like Steam, Epic Games, or a similar service, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files option or equivalent. Why? Missing or corrupted files can be re-downloaded and replaced. Look for a log or error file in the application's installation directory or settings menu. Why? Logs can provide specific details about what caused the error, such as missing dependencies or corrupted modules. Update your GPU, audio, or network drivers using the manufacturer's official site. If the error started after a driver update, roll back to a previous version. Why? Driver compatibility can cause applications to crash unexpectedly. Right-click the application, go to Properties greater than Compatibility. Enable Run this program in compatibility mode for and choose an older Windows version. Why? Some older applications work better in compatibility mode. Go to Control Panel, System, Advanced System Settings, Performance Settings, Advanced Virtual Memory. Increase the size of the paging file. Why? Low virtual memory can cause applications to crash. Run the following commands in command prompt: admin, sfc/scannow, dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. Why? Fixes corrupted system files that might affect the application. Update or reinstall required software frameworks like Microsoft Visual C++, Redistributables, .NET Framework, DirectX. Why? These are often critical for applications to function properly. Check the application's official support page, forums, or community boards for known issues or patches. Why? Developers often provide solutions for specific errors. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to the application's customer support with details of the error. A professional technician if hardware issues are suspected.